G'day you mob, welcome to this episode of Aussie English. Today is a very simple episode. I'm going to be counting from 1 to 100, assuming I am capable of the task. So it's been a while, it's probably been about 10 years since I've actually tried to do this, honestly. So this question comes from Didier Barney, who said, please do a video on counting numbers, say up to 100. I've actually had this question quite a few times, guys, where people have asked me to just do this as a pronunciation exercise. So without any further ado, guys, let's get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, ready or not, here I come. Just kidding, right? Hide and seek, the game hide and seek, 1, 2, 3. So that's it, guys. I hope this has helped. Obviously, repeat this exercise multiple times. Keep an eye out for the next video coming up in this series where I'm going to be comparing the teen numbers to the T numbers, right? Like 13, 30, 14, 40. So make sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you're aware of when that one comes up. And in the meantime, if you want to practice your ABCs in an Australian English accent, check out this video over here, and I will see you next time. Bye.